Beaver-to-JSON is a super versatile app that hopefully it's going to be super comfortable to use. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to be going into the downloads. You download beaver-to-JSON right here, right over there. Drag it into the applications right away, and then you know the drill. You open it, get to the applications folder right here, give it the permissions, download it from the internet, and now you got beaver-to-JSON right here. So beaver-JSON is very useful whenever you want to get started with reusable templates in the JSON format, or maybe you're trying to do work that involves getting your JSONs ready. This is super useful. You can save your templates. We have a light mode presets. You can generate all the types of properties for JSONs, the traditional ones, your arrays, your objects, integers, numbers, strings, all you want right there, just like the traditional schema writer. All right, so the good thing about this is that because we have the presets, we can start out from, let's say, an example here, shopping list, super simple. We can use integers, arrays, objects, like I said. So let's start out with something, in this case, as a shopping list. Let's do like quantities, okay? So how many do we have? Okay, integers for this one, we're gonna put apples. How many apples, the description of the thing. We add several more elements. We got bananas, we got pears, and let's put prunes. Okay, so integers, remember to put integers here because you cannot have 2.5 bananas, 2.7 prunes. So here we continue writing the descriptions, how many bananas, pears, for future reference, you know, keep it clean. Prunes, how many prunes. All right, so in this case, this is just a template for you to know how to use it. Super simple. So you press and generate JSON schema. The good thing about this is that after you create your first one, you can save it, you can send it to ChatGPT, you use this as a structure. Let's see how that workflow would be right here. Okay, so let's open the preset manager, and as you can see, let's do the shopping list. Let's start from scratch. Okay, so you're gonna want to save this as shopping list template. Save the preset, yes, and then we're gonna be, let's just clear it up to test how well it works. Right, you load it, start off a different day. Let's say I want to fill it out. Okay, let's put the date convention and just fill it out as an example. You can also use it that way and just generate. It's gonna continue doing the thing. You can save it, you can output. Okay, so when I export that result, you're gonna get the download JSON. It's gonna automatically save on documents, AOS, beaver-to-JSON. And this is a convention that I did because if we are gonna be using different apps, we want it to be all together in the same folder, in the AOS folder. I don't wanna clutter your desktop by being like 20 apps on the documents. No. We keep it tidy. We keep it in AOS so that it could be comfortable for you and we can get the job done, super organized. And in the future, I'm just kidding, it's already possible. Because the apps are hosted on the same location, file storage, you can use that so that each app feeds the next one. In this case, beaver-to-JSON, you want to create JSONs and then you want to do other things that connect with the other apps. You can do it. You just give codecs or cloud code the path and they can fish it from there and transform things, do things. There's a lot. So let's just continue here with the shopping list. So let's say I want to save it for today. Okay. And the other thing here, very important, is that you have a one button click solution to open library. You don't need to be looking it up. You just press open library, redirect right away so that you can keep that flow state. All right, so let's say we are gonna use more realistic use case. Okay, let's do a research request template. Okay, let's clear this up here. Okay, research request form template, and let's create more properties here. Title, description, category. Main sources, research, yep, something like that, yep. And then we put, like, for example, Generate visual model with research. Yes, no, Boolean right there. The bool right there. Okay. Top 5. Conclusions is better. Form research. Yes, from the research. We want to put it in an array so that you can have multiple results valid for that one. Okay, so we put title of the research, description of the research. Yep. Category type. Yeah, of the research. As a future reference, you know, minimum sources. Just explain what it is. At first, it could be redundant, just as a refresher. Future instances. Just as a future reference. Okay, then we're gonna put top 5 conclusions. Well, statements. I'm gonna yeah. Keywords is better. Key findings. Okay, so in this case, now we already have this base structure so that we can reuse, save the form. And the good part about this is that once you save it, you can just come back to it and resume your research because you already have your JSON, your little form right here. All right, so let's save it as the actual template. Okay, we already have it saved. So you load it. Let's just assume we're starting on a different day. Okay, we come back, beaver-to-JSON, want to do a research, come here. Okay, we can fill it out. So let's do like latest liquid glass updates. Visual UI updates macOS. Upgrades macOS. I like that. Category type. Design UI. Let's put 25. Yes, and just insert it here. Yep. Now with this one, we can put today's date. I'm gonna put 0624. The underscore is separated. Liquid glass. Name of it. Yep. We generated. We are ready to go. Now with this one, just select it so that you can see it in action right away. So I just filled a couple of lines. Came back from a break, came back, got a research request, have it right there. So let's test it out. Can you do this? And yes, it can. Now, let's recall that I am not logged in. I am getting the free response version. So I should technically be using a deep research request for this one, as you can see. But even with just these 4 lines, we are already getting somewhere. In this case, we had a little bit of a result, but as you can see, even without that, we did get the visual research model simplified. Now, these details do matter because this can be used in the future as a reference, or you can even use this response as the structure for the actual research when you log in and you execute your deep research. But this is a way to get your thoughts into structured data so that you can have it reusable, you can have it available, you can make your own schemas, your own ideas. It could be more complex than this, but we are keeping it simple so that you can get started, you can use it. Beaver-to-JSON is super convenient. I really thought, wow, there aren't many things that I would like to keep track of and record, so I'm just gonna keep my JSONs handy and keep it all together, organized with the AOS ecosystem. I've been using it across apps, so check out for more so that you can see all the apps and how these connect. I hope this video was useful, so if anything, any questions, let me know. Have a good day. See ya.